Kei te huri ki ko ka Pākihi ki Tower Junction me Wigram Skies, the landing ki o tautahi, ki te whakawai I te huka tākata ki te hoko anō.
If you look at our Facebook page, we're getting overwhelmed with positive comments about the wonderful service that they're getting out of our staff and the quick turnaround, and we're well exceeding those expectations.
We are a good business, we are a healthy business. Yes, in the process we are going to take some losses and stuff, but I would rather have a business in a country like New Zealand than somewhere else where they are still struggling to get control of this pandemic.
Ko ka taiwhaka o Tower Junction me Wigram Skies, the landing ki te taone nui o tautahi, ētahi wāhi hoko ko whakarite rauta ki whakahaumaru, e taia tonu tia e te hoko.
So the way that customers can make an order with us is they can go to our website and place an order. They can either get us to deliver it by courier, or they can do a click and collect by using a code. And so then we ship directly from here. So myself and my staff, we've been alternating days through level 4 so that we're not here at the same time. Now in level 3, we've merged our bubbles so that we can all work together because it's just the 3 of us.
Look, we are a franchise business. We are quite active in media. We have all the bells and whistles that comes with it. We've got online ordering, which customers can order through order at zembrero.co.nz. We have an app for the ordering and stuff, and we got a good fan following as such, just because of the brand and what it stands for.
He tāka manawa te karere a te premia mo te āhua ki te taumata tū takarerewa tuarua.
Domestic cleaners, hairdressers, retail stores, cafes, restaurants, hospitality. At level 2, when we get there, these operations can reopen.
E ki te ana e nei kaimahi he oraka kai te pai tawhiti e tata haere mai nei.
Couriers are absolutely snowed under moving products from one end of the country to the other. We've already got the products in the stores. All they need to do is ring and we can have them in their hands in a couple of hours.
Things are going to be slow for a few months, but as far as Smarty Pants goes, we've got that real connection with our customers, so I think we're going to be okay.
Ko pau whenua ngai tahu property te kaituku rihi o ka whare hoko nei. I whai wāhia hau kia Mark Youthard, tētahi o ka tumu.
We're delighted that about 80% of the retailers have been able to re-establish some form of operation under level 3 on the click and collect and online type of operation. They have done really well in re-establishing business as best they can under the conditions, and we're right behind them in terms of making sure they can happen and any assistance we can provide.
Ko te kaupapa matua a pau whenua ngai tahu property, he tau tāwhi he manaaki I katoa I konei, Wigram Skies, The Landing, me Tower Junction. Me te kite ahakoa iti tonu, ka hua I tēnei wā, he māpihi paunamu. He nare te aika puanaki, Tahu News.